So Ryleigh, it's right here. Today we're going to make Wonka's little scratchable toy. Alright, get it pretty quick.
Yeah, that was a big one.
Quarter cup of brown sugar.
Be careful, Noah. 1,
That's enough.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
A handful of these. Okay. Here's a bowl of my favorite. Here's a thing of my favorite ice cream.
Noah.
Once you do that, put it in the freezer to keep it cold. This is like a crush bar, and I'm going to put it. You can put any size of bags, and then you put it in, and you zip up, and then you take it back, and then I'm putting this in a bowl. Okay, I'm going to give a sensitive Ryleigh this much of a chocolate bar. No.
It's a candy bar. It's a candy bar and it is a candy bar.
Chop it into little pieces. Okay, now we're going this to 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream.
I'm eating this one.
You may need to help your sister if you have one cut up chocolate, because she might eat it all.
There's one.
Got this much butter. We're going to heat the pot on low, and then when it's all melted, and you turn it on high, then turn it to 5.5 minutes. And stirring it until pretty much everything is melted. I think my sister Ryleigh should take over for now.
Thank you. You know what's a lot here. What's that? What are you doing?
And now I'm getting a cherry out, and then you just put a cherry on top when you're done. 2 as many as you want. Okay, now we're getting the ice cream out.
And then now.
Now you go get your mixture off the stove. Okay, now you're dumping the chocolate out you cut up later and black. Now you're pouring it in the stuff that you just made. You stir it 1 or 2 times. Okay, remember the marshmallows that you put in the bowl? Now you're putting them in the thing that you cooked. Now dump this over your ice cream. Garnish with a cherry and a joy.
I'm not going to eat this one. I'm just going to pick one out.
And don't pour the whole thing. Just what you need.
Cherry on top. That's bigger and bigger cherry.
It tastes like really good ice cream. Now, and you want to get some of everything on a bite.
Yeah.
video for your brain freeze. Because you might get it. Wonka's Whipple Scrumptious Marshmallow Delight.
My turn. This is whistle to like.
The Wonka's Whipple Scrumptious Delight.
This is whistle school was I said to it.
The Wonka's Whipple Scrumptious Delight.
This is whistle to like.
Wonka's Whip Scrumple Fudge Marshmallow Delight.
Wonka's
Wonka's
Wimple Scrumptious Marshmallow Delight.
What? This whistle to white.
Wonka's Wimple Scrumptious Marshmallow Delight.
Chocolate Fudge Marshmallow Delight.
Wonka's Wilfunches Will Fellow and Delight.
Wonka's Whip Scrumptious Something Delight.
Thank you for joining us on another edition of Noah's Kitchen.
Oompa, Doompa, Dee, Doo. I've got a perfect puzzle for you.